Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome to my channel Asnali Official. Okay, today we will talk about Upwork, and there is a new feature in Upwork platform, that is early access program. You have to click here and welcome to early access program. Click on it. This program gives you an opportunity to create your projects and show your projects to your clients so that your clients can easily hire you without any hassle, and that no connects will be used by any freelancers to get these projects from the clients. I have already submitted a project that is under review by Upwork. Look, let's preview the project. Here is the preview of my project that I have submitted on Upwork. You will get professional and premium Shopify e-commerce store with SEO optimization. There are 3 packages that I am offering. Starter with 350 USD, and in starter the delivery time is 10 days. Number of revisions are 2. Number of pages are 5. Number of products that I have been enrolling into the stores listing on the stores are 10. Number of plugins extensions used in Shopify are 3 in starter package. That also includes these things in the package, that is design customization, responsive design, content upload, and setup payment gateway. All these things are included in all the packages irrespective of these: delivery time, number of revisions, number of pages, number of products, and number of plugins. And in advanced package I am offering this service. Number of revisions are unlimited, number of products are 100, and number of pages are 15. Number of extensions, plugins are 10. All these things are also included in this. So from here you can see that there is a gallery, and in the gallery we have different images to show to our clients, that how their website will look like when they click over here. Okay, this is just the preview. Once we have the full project in the offer, this program is starting from 1st of October 2020. So be patient, have patience, and look forward for this. Here we have project details, project steps, requirements, frequently asked questions that we can add. How this all can be done: we can also have reviews of the projects here after the approval by Upwork. So this was the new feature. I have already submitted a project that was declined by Upwork. That was my mistake that I have corrected. Now I hope that my project will be approved soon, and I will show the approved project and the impressions after October 1st 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned and keep watching and subscribing. If you need a stunning store like this one, then you are most welcome. These are the underdeveloped stores that I have been developing so far. Store like this, watchstyling.com, also developed by me. So if you are also interested in stores like this one, or like stores like this one, then you are most welcome. You can hire me. I have my profile on the Upwork. You can just simply search by this project: professional and premium Shopify e-commerce store with SEO optimization. I am also providing SEO optimization for my clients, so no worries about SEO, that how your website will rank on Google or other platforms like Bing and etc. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.